Hello guys, so how are you? So today we are going to discuss about the practical part of second year. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about practical examination of second BHMS in the subject of FMT. So let us start discussing. So we will be discussing about forensic medicine and toxicology, which is for 100 marks. As I have written here, I have written whole syllabus of practical examination according to CBDC 2022. Whatever things they have given in their booklet is been mentioned over here. So इसी में से ऐसे पैटर्न से क्वेश्चन आएंगे. So first for 10 marks we will be having the journal. Then for 10 marks there is internal assessment, the test which takes place in whole year, like terminal examination and unit test, small test. So उसके marks total tally होके out of 10 you will get. Then for 10 marks there is one certificate writing. Now कॉलेज टू कॉलेज इट डिपेंड्स कि कौन सा सर्टिफिकेट पूछा जाएगा. मेरे कॉलेज में डेथ सर्टिफिकेट पूछा गया था. देन फॉर 20 मार्क्स देर इज़ वन वाइवा इज़ टेकन बाय इंटरनल एग्जामिनर. इंटरनल मीन्स आपको पता होगा कि ये टीचर कौन है. आपके कॉलेज में से कोई तो उसी डिपार्टमेंट के फैकल्टी में से कोई तो ये वाइवा लेंगे. और फिर Viva 2 is from external. So external you won't be aware that who is the external, and you will be meeting him or her for the very first time. Then for 30 marks there is spotting. So 6 spots आते हैं and one spot is for 5 marks. Like this 30 marks का spotting is there. Mostly one spot is of injury का फ़ोटो पूछा जाएगा. Then one spot is of weapon is shown and what kind of injury it will produce. Then 2 spots are of poison. So we have covered 4. Then one spot is of model, means model can be anything. Now आपने आपके FMT के डिपार्टमेंट में देखा होगा कि कौन से मॉडल आपके कॉलेज के पास है. So that model will be placed and 2 poison, 1 weapon and 1 injury. Like this 5 spots are the following, and 1 spot will be miscellaneous. So this was all about FMT practical examination. Thank you and subscribe.